So here we go. We got the top end off. You can see the carbon deposits here. And the rear cylinder, which had more leak down than the front cylinder. Not much, but just enough. But you see the front's all wet. Yeah. So that shows me my oil burning. That shows me that my leak down test was accurate. A lot of oil come out of there. So the oil bucket was, she was didn't have much oil in her. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop this baby off and see how much oil's in there. So if there's not an abnormal amount of oil in here through gravity, you know, just going through the, just getting past the check ball in here. This is your feed side. And you have a check ball in here and you have a piston in here. So a lot of times the gravity feed from sitting for a long time will allow the oil to bypass the check ball, and then it fills your crank. And then your bike wants to puke the oil out. Well, what it tries to do is tries to get it back into your oil pump and or into your oil bucket, and it can't get it all in because there's too much in there. She doesn't want it, so she ends up puking through the breather. Quite normal. Quite normal. You see it on Evil Solutions, you see it on shovel heads, you see it on pan heads. I don't see any knuckles around anymore. Not since I was young. Not worth talking about. So yeah, I'm going to get my oil tray, and I'm going to, I think there was more oil in the primary, so I knew the primary was holding oil. There was more oil in the primary than there was in the engine, in the oil bucket. So let's see how much oil spills out of that crank.